Hey gang, welcome to the first edition of Common Array Prototypes in JavaScript explained with pizza. Yeah, okay. So how this works is we have an array, and that array is a pizza. Cool, so stick with me here. Now, arrays, as you know, can contain strings, numbers, booleans, but what we typically use array prototypes for are when we're dealing with more complex data structures, such as objects. Okay, let's consider a slice of pizza. It contains information, just like an object. Cheese, sauce, bacon, maybe anchovies if you're a weirdo, and if you think about it, each slice can be different. Maybe one has pepperoni on it, but another one is sad and pepperoni-less. The point is, the slices don't have to have anything to do with each other, but together they make up a pizza, which, again, is our array. Alright, we're kicking off this video series with our friend forEach. If you're familiar with for loops, forEach will make a lot of sense. It lets us take each slice and does what we want with it. Whatever we want. Within reason. So how does this work? Well, first we start with our array, in this case, pizza. With forEach, as with all array prototypes, we use a callback function to tell the forEach what to do with each slice of our pizza. Okay, we'll pass in our slice as the parameter of our callback function. Oh, by the way, I'll be using ES6 in these videos, but the logic will be the same if you're using regular JavaScript. Okay, if we console logged our slice right now, what would we get? Let's say our slice is just an object that right now only has cheese and sauce. Let's add some pineapple to each of our slices, because pineapple on pizza is the closest humanity can come to experiencing the divine. I'm going to add pineapple to our slice using dot notation and assign it to the boolean true. Every slice is going to run through this forEach and get the truest pineapple added to it. When I was learning array prototypes, I couldn't keep track of which ones require a return and which ones don't. forEach does not require a return, and in fact, it just plain old won't return anything. Yeah, that's cool, but why? Here's what's going on. Unlike the prototypes that do require a return statement, forEach isn't creating copies of the original pizza or slices, and it isn't creating new ones altogether. It's updating the existing slices and, therefore, pizza. So, to recap, our pizza is a collection of slices. Each slice contains information. We run our pineappling forEach and wind up with a pizza whose slices each have a new topping. forEach makes changes to the original pizza, and therefore we don't need to return anything. So there you go, forEach. Thanks for watching Common Array Prototypes in JavaScript explained with pizza. Keep an eye out for our next video, which is going to go over map.